Hi, good afternoon. How are you all? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, thank you very much. Uh, I think my screen is buffering. Just give me a second. Topic. Can anyone recall with the yesterday's topic? Okay, can you hear me? Yeah. Hello, Raji. Hello, Ahmed. Good afternoon, Kiru. Good afternoon, Peter. Now I can read all your chats. Good afternoon, Agneta. Good afternoon, Vivian. Good afternoon, Francis. Okay. HCF LCM by division method and prime factorization method. Okay, that's good. I hope you would have done your homework. Is that yes? Have you all done your homework? Yes? Okay. Shall I give you the next questions related with LCM and HCF? That's great. Okay. I hope you have no doubts. Yes? No doubts? Okay. It's just lack of two topics, but it's okay so that I can make you to practice better. Okay. So whatever is today's topic, I think might get pushed to the next week, but no worries. I'll make you to do those topics. Once you're good in this, then we can do those. No worries at all. Okay with that? Okay. So before we start, can you differentiate between HCF and LCM? Can you differentiate between HCF and LCM? Can you differentiate between HCF and LCM? Anyone can do that. I have no objection. Anyone. What is HCF? What is LCM? I don't want the full form. I don't want the full form. Thank you, Lebanon, but still, Laban, I don't want the full form. What you understood from yesterday, the highest common factor and least common multiple. So what is the meaning of it? I want you to tell me the meaning. We have worked a lot. We have found some new techniques. We have learned some shortcuts. Okay. Least, L-E-A-S-T. Least. Did you get it, Ahmed? It's least, L-E-A-S-T. This is the spelling of least. L-I-S-T is list. L-E-A-S-T, factor. F-A-C-T-O-R, factor. Okay. Now, there is nothing to do with reminder in LCM. It gives you multiple. Okay, something gives you in multiple where you can reach out again or where you can meet out again. Okay, that is what is multiple. Did you get that? Can you give me some real-time examples? Now, let's say that now we have met again, we have to meet or something like that, which happens again after some time. Okay, can you give me some examples related to LCM? Least common multiple or the lowest common multiple, anything is fine. Let's say there are two different things are there where they have met at the first time, again they might meet after several times. Whatever is the example, that's fine. Give me a real-time example which meets the requirement of multiple. Yeah, your example is right. 3, 4 is 12. I like it. Example is good. But I want an example to say that, okay, this is meaning. Something in a real-time example. Something in the real-time example where you meet with multiples. Real-time example. Something with a real-time example with multiple. Real-time example. Robots, bells. Yeah. Give me even a situation to make it better understand. What's the situation of the robots or bells? Examples are fine, good. Give me a real-time example with that Jim. Something situational. Something happened situationally. Chakwara, thank you very much to helping others to fill with the admins. Real-time example of multiple, least common multiple. This is the question, Minza. What is a real-time example of LCM? Your answers all are fine. I'm looking for an answer. Yes, give some real-time example. I'll give you an example where you can figure out. Okay, let's say that yes, real-time application of LCM. That's what is called real-time example. Real-time example of LCM. That was a good example, Laban. Planets which revolve around their own timings, but sometimes they come straight in one line or they meet together at one point. Yes, that was really a good example. Anybody else? Can you try with some real-time example? Then you will understand the questions very easily. I'll be giving you some questions to solve, but before that, we need to know how to apply it in real time. Application. Yes, that was a good example. Meeting train at the platform, that was good. Traffic signal solving, traffic signal solving fractions, yes. Arranging and sorting things, yes, that's good. Any more? Okay, next one. That was good. Next one with HCF, highest common factor. Finding something which is similar in them. So highest common factor. Some real-time examples based out of highest common factor. Highest common factor. Something with highest common factor. Highest common factor. Something with highest common factor. Same application based. Highest common factor. Highest common factor. Some real-time application you can think on. Highest common factor. Examples. Good arrangement of items of row. Okay. Okay. Fine. So what you do now is I'm sharing my screen. Look at the questions. Let me know first whether it is HCF or LCM, then we can. Distribution of items, distribute more number of items to large group. Yes, your examples are good. That's nice. Any other example? Okay, fine. I'm sharing you two questions. Let me know if the screen is visible. Are you able to see the questions? A trader has three types of oils with different amount or quantity, respectively. If he wants to fill them separately in the tins, well, what is the equal capacity of it? What is the least number required? And the options are given. Okay. I'm just resharing the screen. Just a minute. I'm just resharing it. Okay. Fine. Can you see? Yes. Okay. Tell me whether the first one is HCF or LCM and the second one is HCF or LCM. That's it. Read the question, take time and tell me what they are. Is it HCF or LCM? That's it. Check it. Take time. Vivian, can you tell me how do you say it is LCM? Vivian, can you tell me how do you say it is LCM? Key term, least. Okay, okay, fine. A trader, can oil increase? Just understand another way. Multiple means somewhere it has to double or triple or somewhere it has to meet. Will oil double? Will oil increase? Because of the word least? No, that word doesn't matter at all. It's about the content in the question. Okay, they did not say that find the least. That's our assumption. Did you get that? Okay. Now think. See, it is not about the correct answer, wrong answer. Think why it is LCM. Think why it is HCF. What they're asking us to find. If you come to know that, then you'll understand the concept of multiple and factors. A trader has three types of oils: 403 liters, 434 liters, and 465 liters respectively. If he wants to fill them separately in tins of equal capacity, what is the least number of tins required? They're asking about what is the minimum number of tins required. This is a distribution. I have oil, and I am distributing the oil. When I say distribution, what I do? It's about distribution. It's about distribution. What we do with the distribution? What did we do with the distribution? Yes, distribution, and then we are measuring. Nothing new is added or nothing has been developed from this. It is just what we have. With that, we have to distribute and measure. So nothing new has been added. So that means nothing new is increasing. Okay, there is no increment or decrement. It's about what you have is been given. It's been given in different shapes. Okay, fine. So a trader has three types of oils: 403 liters, 434 liters, 465 liters respectively. If he wants to fill them separately in tins of equal capacity, what is the least number of tins required? If anyone can tell me the meaning of the question, you can put it in the chat. That would be great. Try to understand the meaning of the question and put it in the chat. Oh, yes, I will. Okay. See what they say is there are three different oil containers. Let's say this is oil 1 and they have oil 2 slightly bigger than that, and then oil 3 much more bigger than all these things. There are three. We'll check that. Okay, there are three oil containers. If you want to fill them separately to the equal size of tins, that means they're all taken and filled in a smaller tin like this. But all the three oils are filled in the same size. Are you clear with that? All the oils are filled in the tin with the same size. Are you getting it? Are you getting this? There are oils in different containers. They are filled out in small tins, small size tins. Yes. First, we are looking at the quantity. So first is the size of the tin. They say that the least number of tin required, all of them filled separately in tins in equal capacity. That means size of the tin is everywhere equal. How many ever liters it accommodates, that much it accommodates everywhere. There is no difference. Even though it is oil 1 or oil 2 or oil 3, doesn't matter. All the tin size are same. Are you getting it? Are you clear with that? Yes, Annie. Okay, fine. Rachel or Annie or even second one is HCF. That's good, Laban. Now I think you understood. So Rachel or Annie or Vivian, anyone can unmute yourself and let me know your doubt. Anyone can unmute yourself. Vivian or Rachel or anyone. Whomever have doubt, you can unmute yourself. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Good afternoon, Annie, and good afternoon, Vivian. Okay, it's nice to have both. No problem. Don't mute. If you mute yourself, again, to unmute it might take time. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, fine. Both stay on, no problem. Now, I have a question to Annie and Vivian. That question might apply for everyone. So, do you drink any special health drink?
Any special? Come
Drinks.
up again. Okay, yeah.
Health
So
drinks.
yeah, we do. Yeah, drinks.
So, what do Annie drink and what do Vivian drink?
For me, I drink soft drinks. I don't take hard drinks.
Okay, soft drinks. Okay, yeah. Can you name them?
Soda.
Soda. Okay, fine. Soda.
As
okay.
I like Fruitscana.
I'm sorry?
Fruitscana.
Daily morning.
Fruitscana?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll write it as FI. I'm not sure with that. Okay, Fruitscana. Okay, fine. FI. So soft drink. Is it a hot drink or soft drink?
Fruitscana is a soft drink.
Okay, fine. Now let us take with soda and Fruitscana. Do you have them both in half liters?
Yes.
Do they both are available in 1 liter?
No.
Do they both available in 100 ml?
Sorry?
100 ml, small bottles. Do they have it in PET bottles?
Oh, yes.
Yes. Do you have these drinks in 2-liter bottles?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Now, both are different things. Okay, let's say this is where the company called ABC. And this is a company called, what you drink is not exactly the company name, only the product name. So this is company ABC, this is company DEF. So there are two different companies. Let's have it. Is that okay? Company
Yes.
ABC, company DEF. Now they both are manufacturing the same thing. Now, can you tell me which is popular, soda or FI? Which is popular?
Soda.
Okay. Do you think that they manufacture equal amount of drinks?
No.
No. Let's say if they are manufacturing 100 liters, these people are okay. It is very less. 1,000 liters. If they are manufacturing 1,000 liters, can I say this FI is manufacturing somewhere around 800 or 700 liters? Is that possible? Is that possible? Let's say the company one is manufacturing 1,000 liters and making them in a PET bottle of 2 liters or 1 liter, whichever can. Let's say a half-liter can. If I want a half-liter can like this, okay, if I want a half-liter, that means 500 ml can. So I might have divided by half. I need some 2,000 bottles. Is that correct?
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
I need some 2,000 bottles to fill it. But the same, I take over here for FI, same half liter, I need only 1,400 cans or 1,400 bottles of half liter. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, now what is the size we have given? Half liter. For both, it is half liter, but their manufacturing or the quantity is different. Did you get that?
Yes.
So the same thing over here, oil one, he has some quantity of 403. Oil two, he has a quantity of 434, and the next one has 465. Their quantity is different, but the filling size of the tin is same. And if you keep filling like this, none of the tin will be required, everything will be used. Did you understand the meaning?
Yeah.
So what is that tin size? Understood the question now?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay, Vivian is clear. That's fine. And Annie is clear now? Yes?
Hello?
Yes, Annie. Are you clear now?
Yeah, I'm clear.
Okay.
Yeah.
Claudine, do you have any doubts? Claudine? Claudine, any doubts? Moha Venimana. Claudine, Moha Venimana. Francis, you lost the connection. Okay. Anybody else? Any doubts? Are you clear with this? If yes, we can start calculating. If no, we have to find out. All the questions are same. All the questions are same method. If you understand this method, you could do even 20, 30 questions very easily. One method, you can use it everywhere. Chakwara is clear. Chakwara is clear. Anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody else? Any doubts? Anybody else? Any doubts? Shall we proceed with the question? Shall we proceed with the question? Margaret, there are three different things are there. They all are filled in equal size of tin. The tin size doesn't differ. Yes, of course. I'm not increasing the quantity, or the oil doesn't increase the quantity by itself. Whatever is there, we have to distribute it. But the condition is the tin size should be same. Got it? Yeah, that's good. 31 liters. So what you have to find for them? HCF 403, 434, 465. What is the HCF of them? Okay, that was a good one to say the answer. I'm telling you another shortcut how to find the HCF. Are you ready with that? I'm now going to teach you how to do or how to find HCF. How to find HCF. Okay. So I have three values, 434 and 403 and 465. So what I do, I have to subtract among themselves. 434 minus 465, 434 minus 403, and 465 minus 403. So if I subtract them, what do I get? So here I get 31. So this also difference between them is 31. Never mind, it's in negative. Okay, the difference between them is 31. Over here, the difference between them is 62. Okay, find the difference between them, and for them find the HCF. Difference between them and then find the HCF. Are you clear with that? 403, 465, 434. Subtract among themselves, you will get an answer. Find HCF of them. That's the HCF of the given numbers. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? Yes, Vivian. Yes, Vivian. Okay. Okay, I'm clearing the ink. I'm just erasing all the ink. Yes. Can you tell me what are the three containers with letters? 403, 434, 465. Yes. 403, 434, 465. Okay, first subtract these, then subtract these both, and then at the last you can subtract these both. Did you get that? Difference between 430 and this 31, and next 31, and the last 62. Did you get that? And that's the HCF 2. So 31, 31, 62. What is the HCF of? That's the difference. Yes, 31, 31, 62. For this difference, what is the HCF? For the difference, what is the HCF? That's good. The HCF of them is 31. HCF of them is 31. Okay. Yeah. So 31, 31, 62. The HCF is 31. Maybe the LCM is 62, but not the HCF. HCF is 31. Yes, greatest common divisor is 31. Okay, when we do it with the yesterday's method, the same thing, 31 dividing 403, 434, 465 would be there. When I divide them, I get 13 times, and this is 14 times, and this is 15 times. Yes, exactly, Annie. Use subtraction method to find the HCF. Got it, right? Okay, now the question is, what is the least number of tins required? What is the least number of tins required? The question is, what is the least number of tins required? What is the least number of tins required? What is the least number of tins required? So 31 is the size of the tin. Now 403 liters divided by 31. They're asking how many tins required. But the first one, as I said, 13 tins required. Did you get that? The first one, we required 13 tins. Are you getting it? For the second one, how many tins required? 434 divided by 31 would give me 14 tins required. And the last one, 465 divided by 31, that means I require 15 tins. How many tins required in minimum? And minimum, I need 13, 14, and 15. That is what is least. I need with 10, 20, 30, 39, 10, 20, 30, 30, 35, 39, 40, 39, 40, 41, 42. I require 42 tins. Are you clear with the first question? I require 42 tins. Yes, the size of the tin is 31. They are not asking what is the size of the tin. If we want to fill them separately in the tins of equal capacity, what is the least number of the tins required? Adamu, can you unmute yourself, Adamu? Adamu Khalid, can you unmute yourself? Adamu Khalid, yes. May I know your doubts?
Morning.
Yes, Adamu.
Good morning.
Good morning, Adamu.
My doubt is how you are constitute this number of containers needed or required to fill. Hello, sir.
Yes, Adamu, I can hear you now.
Yes. The question is how did you arrive at 42 as the answer?
Okay, adding them all. The first oil, if I have 31 liters size of tin, in the first oil, I can get like that 13 tins. The second one, I can get 14 tins. Third one, I can get 15 tins. Total, how many tins?
Okay, 31, 13, and 14. Okay, that gives you 42. Hello. 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 Hello.
Hey brothers, how can I find this out?
Thank you. Thank you very much, Mr. Baker. Okay, can you hear me? Can you all hear me? That's okay. Okay, can you hear me? Fine. Now let's come for your questions. So anyone still who is not able to get the topic, let me know. I'll just try to get it with us. That question is important question. That's why I'm stressing on the question. If you can understand that, then the rest of the topic would become very easy. So just let me know. If you have still doubt, put up a hand raise button, then we can sort it out. Anybody else? Adamo is having doubt. Okay. Apart from Adamo, anybody else? Claudina. Okay. Fine. Anybody else? Before I share the screen, anybody else? There are two. Yeah, I'm explaining you the second question. I'll explain you the second. Let's finish the first one. If anybody have doubt. Second one is very easy. Oh, sure. We'll go on with the next. I think whoever have doubt, we'll just finish with them. Okay. So very simple question. How many different kind of oils were there? How many different kinds of oils were there? How many different kinds of oils were there? Three, yes. Now, can you number the liters of containers? Yeah, I'm just sharing my screen. Right now, I'm on another device. I'm just setting my another device which got switched off. I'm turning it on. Okay. Until if you have the question, you can just share it. I'll just share the screen. Okay, can you see my whiteboard? Yes. Okay, so we have 403, 434, 465. We found the HCF is 31. Any doubts in that? Any doubts in finding the HCF? Annie and Claudina, any doubts in finding HCF? Annie? Okay, now let's say that the size of each tin is 31 liters, but the containers are very big. Did you understand that? The containers are big, but the only thing is the tin size is 31. Are you all clear with that? The tin size is 31. Are you all clear with that? Yes? Okay. tin size of all different oils are 31. Tin size of all different oils are 31. Tin size of, yes, Clarina, what is your doubt? Clarina, what was your doubt? Make it fast. Yeah, the content differs. That doesn't matter. That's why I said you. See, if there is a soda company where they are manufacturing 1,000 liters and the other company manufacturing 700 liters, doesn't matter. Why can't they have the same size of the bottles? It's the same. The bottle size can be same. How much do they manufacture? That we need not to count on it. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Yes or no? Yes. Claudine, can you tell me what's your doubt? Claudine? Yeah, HCF is 31. That is the size of the tin. But they're asking what is the least number of tins required? That means minimum number of tins required. Are you getting the question? What is the minimum number of tins required? What is the minimum number of tins required? What is the minimum number of tins required? Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Claudina, please tell me what's your doubt. I can see your hand raising, but I want to know what is your doubt. Okay. Can you listen to me? Yes. Now, it's a very simple thing. The number of tins are same. Claudina, I'm allowing you to unmute yourself. Please do let me know your doubt quick. We need to go on with the next one. Size of the tin is 31 liters. It is like a jar, 31 liters jar. Like that, how many tins are required? That is the question. Are you all getting that? Claudina, please do unmute yourself and let me know your doubt quick. Claudine, Mohavani Manu. Mohavani Manu. Any doubts? Mohavani Manu. Any doubts? Okay, the first one is clear, I hope then. Then let's go on with the next question. Allowed to unmute your. I'm helpless. I can support you to do it. Okay. Any doubt in the finding the HCF still? We're on the first question still. Difference between the number gives you HCF. No doubt in that. Okay, difference between the number will give you the HCF. Clear with that? Okay. Okay. I hope you're able to see the question. So in this question, it's done. So if the tin size is 31 liters, that is the HCF of them, I can find 13 tins, 14 tins, and 15 tins. What is the least number of tins required? So that means I have to add them all, 13 plus 14 plus 15. So the required is 42 tins. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? It's done. Shall we go on with the next question? Any more doubts? Any more doubts? Okay, I'm now showing you with the second question. Give you the length and breadth of the tiles, I hope. I'm just giving you the same question. I'm pasting the question, just a minute. Okay, here's the question for the second one. Can you see the second one? The length and breadth of the room is 13 meters and 7.5 meters. Can you change the room size? It's a fixed one. Did you get it? The room size is always going to be the same. Are you getting it? Okay. The room size is always going to be the same. Are you clear with that? Yes. Now the question is about the length and breadth of the room is 13 meters and 7.5 meters. Let's say this side is 13 meters and this is 7.5 meters. Got it? 7.5 meters. Now the floor is to be paved with the square tiles of uniform size. Determine the length of the largest portion. So this is the way the tiles is looking. to the rectangular shape room, and what is the equal number of tiles lying over here? You should not cut the tiles. Remember that all the tiles should be in equal shape. Then what is the size of the tile? So 1 meter not possible, because this side it is 7.5. I have it in 0.5 meters. It's not possible to lay a 1 meter tile. That means I have to cut. Here the question is clear. They should have uniform size tile. That means I should not cut the tiles which I bring. That should it will be an equal one. You meant 0.5. Yes. Yeah. So here you want to find LCM or HCF. I want to find the size of the tiles. HCF or LCM. To find the room tile size. Is it HCF or LCM? Is it HCF or LCM? Is that the room size or the tiles is increasing? It is a distribution of tiles to fill it. I am filling the tiles inside there. I'm not increasing anything. The room size is given. They want us to fix the tiles. Are you getting it? Francis? Are you getting it, Francis? There is a room. They're asking us to fill the tiles. They're not asking us to increase the room size, or the room size cannot increase by itself. It's all about how many tiles can you fix it inside. It's a distribution. It's a distribution. Are you clear with that, Francis? Losango, Kondo. See, the room size. Okay, Annie, can you, yeah, Annie can unmute yourself. Annie and Lasango can unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yes, Annie.
Yeah, I'm kindly. If it again, don't understand the question.
Annie, I'll tell you, you have to connect with real time. Did you get it? So
Yeah.
these are, now let's say that, are you inside a room?
Yes, I am.
Can you, is it a tiles or is it a plain floor? Is it a
Sorry?
plain cement floor or is there tiles inside your house right now in the room where you are? Could you find with the tiles or is it a flooring, a cemented flooring?
It's a tiles.
Tiles. Can you tell me how many tiles are there inside your room?
How many tiles?
Yes. You need not to count all the tiles. We have to count on two sides, that is on front of you and side of you, length and width. Then you have to multiply it. That's what is called area. So you'll know how many tiles are there.
Oh, yeah.
How many tiles are there?
12 tiles.
5, 12,
12.
12. Total 12 tiles?
Sorry?
Okay. You have total 12 tiles in your room. Am I correct?
Yes.
Is there any broken tiles?
No.
Okay. Is that all the tiles are in same size?
No, they are not in the same size.
Here the question is about all the tiles should be same size. So they're giving you some tiles and they're telling you to fix it. The room size is 13 meters and 7.5 meters. The room size is fixed and the tiles is fixed. So you have to fix the tiles inside. Now tell me, is it HCF or LCM? You have to find the factor of them or the multiple of them. Can the tiles or the room get multiple of themselves?
You mean I multiply? Or
Yeah,
I don't
just think
understand, please.
you have a room of the size where I'm approximately drawing it. So 3 over here and 4 over this side. So total there are 12 tiles in your room. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is the size of the first tile? What is the size of the first tile?
The first I'm not really sure about that. I need help.
Okay. Now let's imagine that all your tile size are equal. It should be equal. Your room size is fixed. So now for the room size, the tiles are placed inside. So then would you find the multiple or would you find the factor for them? Do you want to find the factor or do you want to find the multiple? Multiple, you were there in the multiple class, am I correct? Okay, factors and multiples class.
Yes.
You were there?
Mm-hmm.
Did you? Okay. Now tell me, is it a factor to be found or do you want to find the multiple?
That's fine.
Yes, Musabeka, that's correct. See, all the tile size should be same. Is that right? All the tile size should be same. That is what they have given in the question. Can you read it? Can you read the question once louder for me? Or you mute yourself? Please don't mute yourself. Okay. Can you unmute once again? Make it fast. Can you unmute yourself once again?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Musabika is clear with the concept?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
clear.
You're clear. That's fine then. Anybody else who is not clear, please do let me know. Okay. So now let's say that the tiles size is going to be 0.5 meters everywhere. Okay, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, like that. The tile size goes on. That means 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meters. Just to make you understand, 3 meters, 4 meters, 5 meters, okay, 6 meters, and the last, this tile alone will be 0.5. That means 7.5 meters length. 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, the tiles is fixed. Are you getting it? See, in this, let's take this as the room. So I could not draw it. Okay. This is the room size. Is that okay? Is the room size is visible? Okay. 1, 2, let's say 3, 4, 5. I don't know how the go to make you understand. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm just drawing rough. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. 13 meters room. Is that clear? The tiles should be square in shape. That's good. Now, 7.5 meters. Okay. So I'm drawing 0.5 each. 0.5, 0.5, 1 meter. This is together 1 meter, 2 meters, 2.5, 3 meters, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7, and I can draw one line in between the 7.5. Got it, right? Okay, now I am naming it. Look here. The first one is 0.5. Okay, this is together 1 meter, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7, 7.5. Are you clear with that? All the tiles should be in equal size. Okay, so like this, if I break this again into half, so that means 7.5 into 2, so total 15 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Everything, whole length is 7.5, but total number of length is 15. This is 7.5, 15. So this length is actually 13 meters, but I'll have 26 rows. 26 rows will be there, and 13 meter, because each tile is 0.5. Are you getting it? Each tile is going to be 0.5 in the square. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? Yes or no? Count it. How many lines are there? As I draw it, on the top row how many? On the bottom row how many? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. That means 13 meters. It is 13 meters length. The tiles of each size is 0.5, 0.5. Are you clear with that? Yes, down it is 7.5 meters. The total count is 15 tiles. That means equal shape. So what is the size of one tile? So 0.5 into 0.5. Is that clear now? If it is not clear, let me know. I'll try to do with any other method to explain. 26 tiles of, yes, exactly. 26 into 15. 26 into 15, each with 0.5. I will not say there are 26 tiles. There are 26 into 15 tiles, each with 0.5 into 0.5. Are you getting it? So one side will be 0.5. Are you clear with that? Oh. Okay, I'm just taking you into graphing. This is the only thing I can next step go on. There's others who understood the topic. I'm trying to give you a question in the chat and you can carry on with that. The rest, I'm just giving you the question. Just keep trying. I don't want the others to wait. Okay. The others who understood the question, your question is on the chat. You keep continuing. The others who did not understand, please do follow me. Do not miss the track. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? Okay, I'm sharing the page of graph. Okay, one last try. I hope you'll understand. Can you see my graph sheet? Can you see my graph sheet? Fifteen into 0.5, not 13 into 0.5. Can you see my graph? Yes or no? Yes. Now I'm writing the point as 13, 7.5. That means the length was 13 and the breadth was 7.5. Can you see the points? 13 and 7.5. I'm writing a knot. I'm drawing on it. So this is 5, 6, 6, 7, and this is 7.5. Okay. Could you please do it with your fingers? Because my screen, otherwise I could not draw it. Done. So this is 10, this is 11, this is 12, this is 13. Did you get it? I'll just draw a line as a line. It's better. 7.5 is here. 13 is here. Okay. That was good. 7.5 is over here, 13 is over here. The size of the room is 13 and the height is, or the width is 7.5. Any doubts? No, this is to understand your concept. Shortest way to get it, we'll come to that. Is that clear with the picture? First, is it clear with the picture? Yes? Okay. I'm quickly drawing the lines to just make you understand about the HCF. Then we'll go on with the next. I'm drawing a line over here. I'm drawing a line over here. Equal line. I'm drawing a line over here. The last tenth. I'm drawing a line here. I'm drawing a line here. I'm drawing a line here. Yes, it's clear. Yes. So in these boxes of drawn lines, I have to fix my tiles. I cannot fix my tiles anywhere else. Now tell me the size of the tiles. That's all. I'll tell you the other method, but you have to know on the real-time basis so that it's easy for me to take you into the next one. Are you getting it? I hope it's clear. Yes. That's great. It keeps going like this. Now, would you be able to count it? Each tiles is in equal size. The end is 0.5. Now, let's talk about, is it 13 and 7.5? Are they in the same factor? Is it yes or no? Is it 13 and 7.5 are in the same factor? Are they in the same tables? 13 and 7.5? 39, 7.5 in the same tables? Yes, which tables is that? 13 and 7.5 to have the same tables. 0.5, okay, fine. So we will not be doing in decimal. If I remove the decimal here, that means it's 7.5. To remove the decimal, I'm multiplying this into 10 and I'm multiplying this into 10. Did you get that? I'm multiplying them both into 10. Is that clear? 13 and 7.5. I'm multiplying each with 10 so that the decimal points can get removed. Is that clear with that? What is the 7.5 into 10? What is 7.5 into 10? Yes, 7.5 into 10 is 75. So if I'm removing this decimal, I'm removing this also. So this is also multiplied with 10. 13 into 10, 130. Clear with that? Clear with that? I'm multiplying into 10 to remove the decimals. Now 30 and 130 and 75, their HCF is 5. Okay, and my found 130 and 75, the HCF is 5. So again, I'm dividing it by 10 because I've already multiplied into 10 and I found the answer is 7. It is 5. So my answer is 0.5. That's all. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? How did you get 75? Are you clear with that? How did you get 75? When there is a decimal value, when I multiply into 10, it is called 7.5 into 10. It is 7.50. Then the decimal point will move over here. So it is 75.0. So I don't want to write that 0.0. So my answer is just 75. Is that clear now? These are all the things we have done on the 4th class. Decimal multiplication. If you're not there in the beginning of the classes, please do take a look of those videos. That's why you have done those introduction classes, basics. Yes, you have to revise those things. We are wasting time on 2 questions for today. You should keep revising, then only you'll understand these things. Calculations, if I keep doing, then it will take time. Okay, please do review those videos regularly. Okay, so 130 into 10. I don't want to do it with decimal. So removing the decimal, found the answer. Already I removed the decimal and found out with multiplying 10. So when I got the HCF, I'm again dividing by 10 to get the decimal answer. So that is 0.5. Clear with that? Yes. Annie, is that clear? Align, is that clear? Vivian, is it clear? Margaret, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubts?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. Shall we go on with the next?
Yeah, you can. That's clear.
Peter, precious, and beloved, loveness. Okay, I'm just taking you to the questions again. Okay, now just read the question and find out whether it is HCF or LCM, then you can solve it. If the concept is clear, we would be able to do it easily. Okay. Just a minute. I'm just sharing it. Okay, a commander in the regiment. Okay, very nice and interesting question. Just a try. Yes. Okay, so here something, let's close it. Read this question, understand whether it is HCF or LCM. Read the question clearly. What they're asking to find. It is the same topic. Find whether it is a HCF or LCM. The commander of a regiment wishes to arrange his soldiers in a row of 12 or 15 or 18 or 30, and also to see his regiment arranged in the form of solid square. Okay, he wants to have the count either row as 12 or 15 or 18 or 30, either rows. Either rows means people standing in the straight line. Straight line, that's what called as rows. Rows mean people standing in the straight line. Okay, in a regiment, would you have only 12 members in the regiment? Think. He wants the number of rows, either in 12 or 15 or 18 or 30. They should be standing in a row and they should look like a square shape. Did you understand the question? A commander in the regiment, they should be arranging people in rows. So in a row, there is 12. Like that, he can have number of rows. He did not say only 12 members should be there. Are you clear with that? There are number of members filling over there. Here it is not filling. Here it is adding members and making the shape. It is not filling. Read it carefully. It is not factor. It is multiple. If I say filling, if he says you can use only 100 members, 200 members, that is HCF. Here he has not told about the manpower. He has told only about the rows. Think again. It is not a factor. Yes, Laban, you were correct at the beginning itself. This is related to commander. He is filling them in the lines. He is having n number of manpower. He is not restricted with 12, 15. He says that in one row there will be 12 or 15. Are you getting it? 12 or 15 or 18 or 30, it doesn't matter, but he wants them in the square shape. Are you clear with that? Here it's not about the manpower fixed. Manpower is not at all fixed. Okay, the manpower need to get distributed. So first of all, you have to find, yes, what would be the factor of them? That means in multiples. What is a multiple of them? You have to find. I can have 12 members or 15 members or 18 members or 30 members. Doesn't matter. Okay, first I have to find the LCM of them. So let's say, okay, the LCM is 180. Okay, is it a square? Is it a solid square? Is it a solid square? That means any side you see, the shapes should be equal. Now, then what is the multiple of 180s and compensating with 12, 15, 18 and 30? That is a square number. Are you clear with that? Good. So 180 is the multiple, that is correct, but it is not in the square shape. It is a rectangle shape. He wants in a solid square. So it is a multiple. After 180, I can take 360. It's a multiple. 360 is a square? No. And next. And next, after this, it is 3. That means 4. There is a 3 plus 1. 540. Yes. Is this a square? No. Again, I'm taking multiple of it. Adding another 180 over here. That is 720. Now, next is I get 900. Is it a square number? Yes. For this multiple of 180, these numbers are not the square number. 900 is the square number. Are you clear with that? So by the way, 900 becomes the answer. Are you clear? Yes, exactly. Like the previous question which I posted, it's same. Are you clear with that? Are you able to get it? Are you able to get it? Square root, perfect square root. 180 is not a square, is not a perfect square. 360 is not a perfect square. 540 is not a perfect square. Okay, 720 is not a perfect square root. 900, yes, it's a perfect square root. It gives me 300. Remaining are irrational numbers. So 900 is a rational number, which gives root of 900 is 30. That is why this is my answer. Are you clear with that? Are you clear? Okay. Is that very okay? No. Rachel, can you please tell me what is your doubt? Rachel, can you please tell me what is your doubt? Is that no, Rachel? Is that no, Rachel? Can you please tell me what is your doubt? Is that no, Rachel? Please do unmute yourself and let me know what is your doubt. Is that no, Rachel?
Yeah, I don't get it well, sir.
Okay. What you don't exactly get it, please do let me know. Don't mute it. Again, you might not be able to unmute. So please do keep your mic on. Tell me exactly what you don't understand. Tell me exactly you do not understand the question meaning, or you did not understand what is called LCM or HCF or the answer.
The HCF.
Okay. You know what is LCM then?
Yes.
Okay, good. Can you tell me what is an LCM? Don't give me the abbreviation, give me the meaning.
Say.
Yes.
The meaning of HCF.
Yes.
The highest common multiple.
It's called highest common factor, HCF
Yeah.
or
Yes.
GCD, greatest common
Yes.
divisor. Okay,
Yes.
it is not multiple. So I think
Yeah.
you're not sure with the concept then. So 2, 3. Can you tell me what is the highest common factor of 2 and 3? What is the highest common factor of 2 and 3?
3.
No, then you have not paid. I don't think so. This is your first class.
Yes.
Okay, so these topics they were already done so that they're able to answer. Okay, so the factor means I can divide 2 by 2 and 2 by 1. Is that true?
Yes.
I can divide 3 by 3 and 3 by 1. Is that possible?
Yeah.
What is common in them to divide the number?
A half.
1. 2
Yes.
divided by 1, no remainder. 3 divided by 1, no remainder. The common number between them is 1. This is what called as factor.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, let's say 2 and 3. What number comes common in 2 and 3 table?
You say?
In 2 and 3, what
Yeah.
in the tables of 2 and 3 times tables, what numbers are common? 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, then 8, 10, 12, it goes on, yes?
Yes.
In 3 times table, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, it goes on. Yes.
Yes.
What is common in them?
6 and 12.
So which is the smallest one in common?
Which is
Small and common. Small
6.
and common. This is what is called least, or you can call it as lowest. Okay, common multiple. Multiple means
Yeah.
multiplication goes on. Least common multiple. Did you understand?
Yes.
That's all is HCF and LCM.
Okay.
Now in this question, you're finding LCM. Are you clear with that?
Yeah.
Why are you finding LCM in this question? Why are you finding LCM in this question? If you mute yourself, you'll not be able to answer. Can you try again, Rachel? You can unmute yourself now.
Okay.
Yeah. Why are you finding LCM in this question? Because it's given in the question, Vivian, to find the solid square. That is why. Solid square means the shape should be equal on any sides you see. That is why you're finding solid square.
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. Now tell me why it is LCM.
LCM.
Why are we finding LCM for this question?
Because we want for determination and measurement.
Because because Rachel,
Yes.
yeah. Why are we finding LCM in this question?
Because of a solid square.
So you have not read the question, you're not sure with what is HCF and what is LCM, and you're not sure with the concept of what is this question. So please do read the question. Without the question, simply me writing the answers will not help. I'm giving you a small test now. What is root of 4?
2.
Good. What is root of 9?
3.
What is root of 900?
300.
900.
300.
No,
No, 30.
30. That means 12 or 15 or 18 or 30, there are soldiers standing in the row. 12 or 15 or 18 or 30, soldiers are standing in the row. But remember, they have to be in the square shape. That means a battalion of 12, a battalion of 15 or 18 or 30, I can make members to stand all around. Did you get it?
Yes. Yes.
Then what is the multiple of 10? Like this, how many battalions I can make them to stand? They should have the common factor, 12, 15, 18, 30. What is the common multiple of them? 12, 15, 18, 30. What is the least common multiple of 12, 15, 18, 30?
I don't get it where.
So 12, 15, 18, 30. How do you find the least common multiple of them? You don't know to find? Do you know to find? Yes or no?
No.
So 12, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12. So 2 square into 3. And next 15, 3 times 5 is 15. So 3 times 5. So next is 18. 6 times 9 times 2 is 18. So 3 square times 2 is 18, 30, 30. Okay, 30 is
Yes.
2 times 3 times 5. So if I find LCM, I have to take the highest power of them, that is 3 square, and in 2 square the highest power is 2 square, and in 5 the highest power is 5. I have to multiply them all together. See, over here the highest is this, and over here either this 5 or this 5. Any one I can take as the highest, 5 to the power 1.
Yes.
Okay, 3 square is 9, 9 times 4 is 36, 36 times 5, so that is 180. So this is called the way to find the multiple. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So after finding the multiple, I want a square number in this multiple. 180 times 1, 180 times 2, 180 times 3, 4, 5, 6, like that I go on. They want the least number of soldiers in this shape. That means which is the smallest group in the shape of having in the solid square in the multiples of 180. That's going to be 900. That is why the answer is 900, because they want in the square shape. That means when I make square root, I should not get it in decimal. Every side, when I count all the sides, it should be equal. Are you clear with that? If they ask the highest number
Okay.
of regiment in this, we cannot answer. That can be 3,600, that can be 3,600,000, or that can be 9,000,000,000. It can be as big as it is. How big that can be, you cannot determine that. How small it can be, yes, you can. That is what is LCM.
Okay.
Clear with that?
Yes,
You
it's
cannot
clear.
answer for the highest. Highest can be as per the option, whatever is given, you can go on. Okay. Any other doubts? This?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, that's great. Claudina, what's your doubt? Is that clear with the concept? Is that clear with the concept? Okay. Fine. Now I'm asking you some quick questions. Yes, you have options. There's nothing to worry about it. I'm asking you a quick question. If two people are running in the race, one is slow and one is fast, when will they meet together? For this question, is it HCF or LCM? If two people are running together, they would meet sometimes. They would meet sometimes. Can you hear me? Adamo, please do check your device. Okay. When sure. If two people are running in a race, one is slow and one is fast, when will they meet at the same point again? Is this HCF or LCM? Good. Next one. Next one. The bell rings. There are 5 different bells. Okay. I'll just give you that one question and then can wind up. So easy one. Okay. So if there are 5 different bells, rings in 5 different intervals, when will they ring again together? Is it an HCF or LCM? There are 5 different bells ringing in 5 different interval time. When will they ring again together? Is it HCF or LCM? That's good. Okay, these are multiples. Time-based, Emmanuel, time-based is multiple. Time-based is multiple. Are you clear with that? Time-based is multiple. Good, Vivian. Beloved also got the answer. Yes, Emmanuel. Claudine, you raise your hand, but you're not asking any question. Clear with that? Fine. In the next class, I'll give you related questions. We need not to rush to the other topics. We will get with the other classes. We will just try to do this better. Then you can go on with the rest. Is that okay? It takes time, but still, you have to understand the concept better. If you do so, you can solve any questions. Is that clear? So next class, again, we'll meet up with HCF and LCM. Okay with that? Okay, thank you very much. I think most of you need to go to prayer, so I cannot take more. I like to take up more questions for you, but most of you have your prayers right now, so I don't want the prayer time to get disturbed. Okay, next class again we'll do HCF LCM until you say that you like it, we'll do it. It was a fire for today. Thank you, Lavan. We'll make with the next class with more fire, where HCF LCM you should never forget. Okay. Topic for tomorrow was directions. Sonam ma'am, logical reasoning ma'am would be handling you. Thank you very much, beloved. Thank you, Francis. Thank you, Peter. Thank you and good evening, Laban. Thank you, Manuel. Thank you, Vivian. Thank you very much. Thank you, Francis. Good night. Question for tomorrow, I want you to revise these questions so that you can do better. I suggest you do only these questions for tomorrow. Now I have another 2 more hours to sleep. Thank you, Dan. Thank you, Annie. Thank you all. Thank you very much. It's still early. Yes, for sure. So we will do HCF LCM again and then only the next topic until you're clear not to go on, just jump with the others. I just want you to clear your entrance. Thank you very much. Thank you, Annie. Have a great day all. Yes, Clara. Okay. Great, Vivian. Do have a good sleep. Okay, bye.